Hi, so here I've got another version of the hinge method. So this time I've selected to put the hinge method down the center of the piece of vinyl. So I've already positioned it, I've got it where I want it, and now I've selected to put the hinge method. So the reason why I've done that is that the curvature of the vehicle or the surface is curving this way. So I'm going to go with the curve, if that makes sense. Okay, so then I've got it where I want it. I'll take off one section of the hinge. Okay, so there's that. Just get rid of that for myself, make it easy. So then I can hinge it this way, and then vice versa, going the other way. And there you are, the hinge method. A great way of applying vinyl dry.